Hello everyone. Here we are going to start a third lecture of our Photoshop where we look how to set the workspace in Photoshop. So let's check out. First of all, for choosing a workspace area, click onto the drop down arrow. Here you can get here you can get many options like graphics and web, motion, painting, photography, new workspace area, reset workspace area, delete workspace. Okay, let's if we are choosing graphics and web, then what type of options come onto the workspace area? Click onto graphic and web. Here you can see characters, paragraph, glyphs, characters, text, size of text, font of text, strong, bold, italic comes, and then properties, libraries, layer comps show. Here you can see the layers in which we work, so it is also show onto the right side. Okay, if we click on to the motion, then the timeline, create video timeline shows here in the bottom side, and other info are show here. Document which is selected, whose information is given to the right hand side. Creative Cloud, if we have some images onto the cloud, then we will fetch from the Creative Cloud. Layers channel option is given. If we select painting option, then this type of workspace area comes where the switches, navigators we can navigate in this document. So here we can zoom in, zoom out, we can do. Okay, the brushes size is given here. General brush, dry, different types of brushes are also given here. General brushes, dry media brushes, wet media brushes, special effects brushes. Folder is given. Create a new group we can make. Create new brush, delete the brush, and also the toggle the live tip brush preview. We will consider it one by one when we reach onto the topics. Okay. Here in the layers you can see that masking, add a mask, create new fill or adjustment layer, new group, new how to create new layer, delete the layer. If we say photography, then the options that is to be related to the photography options are showing here. Histogram, navigators, we can navigate into the document easily. Okay, channels and path is already present. Now if you select reset, now you can reach to the by default workspace area. If you select new, then name new workspace area according to your choice. Now select workspace 1, workspace 1, and then click on to the save. Here you can see the workspace 1 name of workspace area comes. Okay, so this is the area that we have selected for us. If you find that some of the tools is not given here, so what you do, you just go on to the Windows option, then arrange workspace, like why these save workspace objects are available into the right hand side menus: graphics and web, motion, painting, photography, reset workspace 1. Here we can going to create new workspace. If you want to delete the previous one, so how we can do it, just click on to that and delete the workspace and then click OK. Yes, now we can also create a new one. Click on to the workspace and then click new workspace, Before from that we have to save something like Windows. If you want colors, then click colors, then colors box is also come here. Then here you can see where we want to place. The blue line shows here we can also place our color box here. So place it here. Okay. Switches box. Color box is also placed here. Now the color box comes here. Layer is also showing here. If you want history, then check the history. History comes here. Now we set here. Now the history option is also come here. Blue line show you that you are able to place onto that place. Okay, and just drop it. Then this is a workspace area which I want here and I have selected. Now click onto the window workspace and save it with a new name कि हमने इसको दे दिया my workspace, then save it. Okay, now it comes here into the new list. My workspace is selected. अगर मुझे previous वाले में जाना है तो ये selected था. अगर मुझे इस वाले में जाना है जो पहले हमने बनाया था untitled में तो ये selected है और अब मुझे चाहिए my workspace. So in my workspace the tools, layers, channel, paths, history, navigation, navigator, switcher, colors, action, what I have selected, it comes onto that workspace area which I selected for my work. Okay, workspace area. It's according to you which type of tools you want to display onto the right hand side. Here you can see the toolbox is showing you. Okay, here the toolbox. Different types of toolbox is given. This is the menu bar. This is a menu bar. This is the description of the tool which is selected. First of all, if the marquee tool is selected, then the description of the marquee tool, different types of options of the marquee tool is showing here. If you select the rectangular marquee tool, then the options related to the rectangular marquee tool will display you here. After that, if you select the lasso tool, then the lasso tool options are given here. Okay, if you want to place your, if you want to edit the toolbar, then click on to this drop down, edit the toolbar button. Here you can customize the toolbar, which tools, extra tools that you want to display onto the toolbox. यहाँ पे आप display करना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि फ्रेम टूल, हम यहाँ पे फ्रेम टूल डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं. एक एक्स्ट्रा टूल है फ्रेम टूल. ये रेड आई टूल हमें यहाँ पे, सो जस्ट ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप एक्स्ट्रा टूल. ओके, एंड देन जूम टूल तो है ही. Frame tool select, just drag and drop into the extra toolbox, then done. When you click on to the done, here you can see the option comes. Here it is, frame come, okay, we have selected the frame tool, so it comes here. Red एडिट टूल बार में हमें क्या क्या शो हो गया, रेड आई टूल and frame tool. Okay, the options of the frame tool is given here. We can also do the toolbox. अगर ये टूल बॉक्स में बहुत हमें लग रहा है कि बहुत लेंथी हाइट में जा रहा है, so we can also arrange the toolbox like this. You can just click onto this arrows and it will show you into two parts. नीचे नहीं जाएगा, two parts में आपको दिखने लगेगा. Now how to save the document? Just click onto the file, then click onto the save as, and then write the name of the document from which name you want to select, like my first Photoshop. Okay, and then remember that the Photoshop file is always have a file extension .psd. Okay, and then click on to the save button. When you click on to the save button, the name of the Photoshop which you have selected is displayed here. Now instead of untitled document, after saving my first Photoshop.psd, name is given and it is in RGB mode. That's why here showing you RGB mode. And the current 245.06%, 96% is showing. So here it is written. Okay, 246% में दे रहा है. So in this video बस इतना ही. After that we will consider the next different types of tools into the toolbox in our next lecture. So please stay safe during the coronavirus. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.